So, punta po tayo today sa Mount Gulugod Baboy. So, ito ay 145 kilometers mula sa bahay. So, tingnan natin. Exciting road trip. Simula po tayo maaga para iwas traffic.
Think I might be over my troubles since you came around. Something struck me.
So yan, paakyat po muna tayo ng Tagaytay. Dito po yung ruta na napili ko.
Oh, it's not hard.
Tigil muna tayo sa may Calaca area. Pahinga at saka palipad na rin ng drone.
You saw right through it all.
So ito, tabi ng dagat. Ang ganda po dito. Sobra.
No matter how I
Malapit-lapit na rin po ito dun sa Mount Gulugod Baboy.
you cured my aching heart when you came around. Saw million signs.
So iyan, ang binayaran ko po dito 120 pesos para sa parking at saka entrance fee. So kahit magtagal po kayo dito, kahit mag-overnight lang kayo, 100 lang po ang bayad.
For so long now.
So simulan na po natin ang trekking.
Suddenly I think of tomorrow.
So solo trek po tayo ngayon. So Insta 360 lang ang baho natin at saka isang drone.
I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. No, I was just lonely, but since you came around, all I see is tomorrow.
Yan, enjoyin po natin ang view. Ang ganda po talaga ng view dito.
When you hear me calling, oh, it's you and me. Ooh, yeah, 'cause I cannot fake it. No matter how I feel, yeah, 'cause you heal my aching heart. When you come around, I saw million signs. I must be alright by now. There's a reason why. Oh, I think I might be over my troubles. They've been there for so long now. It's over. Suddenly I think of tomorrow.